Hello everyone. The Umkhonto Party has appointed Judge Hlophe as their national chief whip. Izwe account broke the news on the X app and posted a letter that was appointing Judge Hlophe as the MK chief whip. The letter stated, "To all caucuses at MK leader in parliament, Comrade Judge Hlophe, national chief whip, Comrade Sihle Ngubane, provincial whips, subject centralization of key responsibilities and financial management. Dear National Chief Whip or Provincial Chief Whips, I hope this letter finds you well. Following your recent communications from Parliament regarding the allocation of funds consequent to our representation in the National Assembly and provincial legislatures, we are at the critical stage in the structuring of our party's administrative and financial operations. Given this critical stage of our party's development and the imperative to establish a robust framework for our operations, the National Office has resolved to centralize certain key responsibilities and role temporarily. This measure aims to ensure stability, uniformity in operations, and the effective management of resources as we work towards solidifying the foundation of our provincial and regional structures, but also to lay foundations for an all-out local government elections, centralization of financial and other operations. Number 1, all funds allocated from both the National Assembly and provincial assemblies will be managed centrally by the National Office through the Office of the Treasurer General. This consolidation is essential for maintaining financial integrity and accountability as we lay down the operational frameworks across various levels of our party. The sourcing, approval, and occupation of any resources or contracts will be directly managed at the head office level. This will include, but not be limited to, financial disbursements, procurement processes, and contractual engagements to ensure compliance with our party policies, national regulations, and also ensure that we comply with guidelines from legislatures and parliament. Number 3, the listing all parliamentary constituency offices will be centralized. This will be done in line with the stability and growth strategy as well. After the national leadership have approved this strategy, we will communicate it to all our deployed accordingly. The sourcing and appointment of human resources will also be centrally managed by the head office. This strategy is designed to maintain consistency in the hiring practices and to align all human resource activities with the strategic goals of our party, but also help manage the deployment of our MK members who are skilled in areas of strategic focus to areas of political growth. Consultation process. In implementing these directives, we will maintain a close consultation process with the Office of the Chief Whip at both the national and provincial levels. Your insights and inputs will be invaluable as we navigate this critical phase of our party's growth. Future developments. These arrangements are provisional and will be reviewed periodically in consultation with all stakeholders involved. Our goal remains to decentralize these responsibilities back to the provincial structures once we are confident in their stability and capacity to manage these functions independently. Please ensure that these directives are communicated effectively within your teams and that all necessary actions are coordinated through the National Office. Should you have any questions or require further clarification on any of the points outlined, please do not hesitate to contact my office. Kind regards, Athaswane. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.